Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nasihatun. In this video, I will continue the explanation from my friend Laksmi Dwintan. There are book identity, readability, hots and lots, and the last is conclusion. And then the first is book identity. The textbook which we analyze is about forward and English for vocational school grade 11, or the title from these books is forward and English for vocational school grade 11. And then the writers of this textbook are Sheila K. Lande and Eka Mulia Astuti. And then the editor from these textbooks are Mustika Busana K and Richard Rahmat. And then provider of these textbooks is Annabelle Richardson. And then publisher of these textbooks is Penerbit Erlangga. And then this textbook printed in the PT Gelora Aksara Pratama. Setting and layout is Department Design Setting Bopel. And then cover designs by Suprapto A. And then total of pages are 203 pages. And then price of these textbooks are 53,000 rupiah. And then the category of this textbook are cheap book. And then the analysis of this cover. First, you can see this cover. You can see, yeah. From the cover is combining the color. You can see this is green, and then this is blue. This is blue, and then the number of the color of this number is white, and then the dominant color from this cover is white, and then the color from the title is blue. You can see blue, yes, and red. And then the color of the writers is black, and then the table of this cover of textbooks is brown, and then this is a navy, this is black, and etc. Okay, can see, okay. So first I want to explain about what is color. Color gives many interpretation of meaning from someone. Gates defines that color is fundamental of design and visual storytelling. So therefore, in creating something, people consider the color as supporting aspect that's suitable with the purpose and represent the meaning from the creator to the others. So I want to explain the combining from the color. Black, the color of black, you can see the color of black, the writer's color is black, right? And then that's mean is the power. And then blue, this is blue, that's mean is serious. And then green means fresh or natural. And then red means active, and then white means pure. Gray means knowledge, and then actually has purple, but this is purple. You can see purple means unlimited or humanitarian. And then orange, you can see from this is orange. Orange means playfulness. And then brown means friendship. And then navy means confident, navy. So from combining this color, writer tries to build an atmosphere of English textbook by combining the colors in order to be seen as attractive book which motivates students to read. And then in this cover consists of 5 students. For these like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 students in back from them. Okay, we conclude that 4 of them are discussing and 1 student is reading or writing in the back. 4 students are discussing and 1 student in the back is reading or writing. Okay, and then based on the pictures textbook, cover of textbooks, we conclude that this book represents 4 skills by saying on students read or write. And 4 students in the group discussion. Someone is speaking, another one is listening. Okay, next. The next is about readability. Interlude 1, chapter 2, page 27. It's the result are grade level. Grade level is 6, and then reading level is fairly easy to read, and then readers age under 10 until 11 years old or 5th and 6th grades, and then total of words are 344, and then total of total of sentences are 32, and then total of syllables in the text are 512. And then next, interlude 2, chapter 5, page 77. The result are, you can see in the background from my video. The result are grade level is 12 and reading level is difficult to read. And then readers age under 17 until 18 years old, all 12 grades, and then total of words are 105, total of sentences are 6, and total of syllables are 193. And then the next is text 6, chapter 5 in text 2, page 78. The result are grade level is 4, reading level easy to read, and then readers age under 8 until 9 years old, all 4 and 5th grade, and then total of words are 149, total of sentences are 14, total of syllables are 186. And then next, text 6, chapter 5, text 4, page 79. The result are grade level is 6, reading level is fairly easy to read, readers age under 10 until 11 years old or 5th and 6th grades, and then total of words 207, total of sentences are 19, and then total of syllables are 288. And then task 10, chapter 5, page 81. The result are grade level is 5, reading level is fairly easy to read, readers age under 8 until 9 years old, And then total of words are 155, total of sentences are 15, and then total of syllables are 212. Okay, and then task 20. Okay, and then task 22, chapter 6, text 1, page 111. The result are grade level is 8, reading level is fairly easy to read, reader's age under 12 until 16 years old, and then total of words are 191, total of sentences are 11, and total of syllables are 273. And then task 4, chapter 8, text 1, page 133. The result are grade level is 8, reading level is standard, reader's age under 12 until 14 years old, total of words are 116, total of sentences are 8, and then total of syllables are 180. And then next, task 4, chapter 8, text 2, page 134. The result are grade level is 8, reading level is fairly easy to read, and then reader age under 12 until 14 years old, and then total of words are 119, total of sentences are 11, and total of syllables 200. And then next, task 8, chapter 8, page 137. The result are grade level is 9, reading level is standard, reader's age under 13 until 15 years old, total of words are 513, total of sentences 26, and total of syllables 748. And then next, task 4, chapter 9, text 1, page 151. The result are grade level is 8, reading level is standard, reader's age under 12 until 14 years old, total of words 186, and total of sentences are 15, and then total of syllables are 296. And then task 4, chapter 9, text 2, page 151. The result are grade level is 11, reading level is fairly difficult to read, reader's age under 15 until 17 years old, total of words 236, and then total of sentences 13, total of syllables are 385. And then next, task 6, chapter 9, page 153. The result are grade level is 8, reading level is standard, reader's age is 12 until 14 years old, and then total of words 366, total of sentences 13, total of syllables are 552. And then task 8, chapter 9, page 155. The result are grade level is 11, reading level is fairly difficult to read, and then reader's age under 15 under 17 years old, and then total of words are 236, total of sentences are 13, and then total of syllables 385. And then next, chapter 9, page 156. The results are grade level is 8, reading level is standard, reader's age under 12 until 14 years old, total of words 154, total of sentences are 10, and total of syllables 230. And then task 9 chapter 9 page 156. The result are grade level is 8, and then reading level is fairly easy to read, and then reader's age under 12 until 14 years old, and then total of words 202, total of sentences are 14, and total of syllables are 307. And task 9 chapter 9 text 1 page 157. The result are grade level is 8, reading level is standard, reader age under 12 until 14 years old, total of words 185, total of sentences are 14, and total of syllables are 304. And then task 11 chapter 9 text 2 page 158. The result are grade level is 12, reading level is fairly difficult to read, reader age 17 until 18 years old, and then total of words are 120, total of sentences are 7, and total of syllables are 203. And then task 14 chapter 9 page 163. The result are grade level is 11, reading level is fairly difficult to read, and then reader's age 15 until 17 years old, and then total of words are 168, total of sentences are 8, and total of syllables are 272. And then task 18 chapter 9 page 165. The result are grade level is 13, and then reading level is difficult to read, reader age 18 until 19 years old or college level entry, and then total of words 218, total of sentences are 10, and total of syllables are 383. And then task 5 chapter 10 page 171. The result are grade level is 14, reading level is difficult to read, reader's age under 21 until 22 years old or same like college level, and then total of words 276, and then total of sentences are 12, and total of syllables 460. And then task 8 page 173. The result are grade level is 10, reading level is fairly difficult to read, reader's age under 14 until 15 years old, and then total of words 204, total of sentences are 11, and total of syllables are 324. And then task 12 chapter 10 text in text page 180. The result are grade level is 9, reading level is fairly difficult to read, and then reader's age under 13 until 15 years old, total of words 300, total of sentences 20, total of syllables are 474. And then task 12 chapter 10 text 2 page 181. The result are grade level is 11, reading level is difficult to read, reader's age under 15 until 17 years old, total of words 479, total of sentences are 27, and total of syllables are 778. Okay, the next is about HOTS and LOTS, and this is the description of the data from the easy listening exercise forward an English course for vocational school student grade 11. You can see the distribution of listening exercise. Chapter 1 in the theme what's your opinion, and then total of exercise from this chapter are 24 exercises, and then the listening exercise only and then total of listening exercise are 2 exercises in task 3 and task 4. And then chapter 2, can I take a message? Total of exercise are 15 exercises, and then total of listening exercise are 4 exercises in task 2, 3, 9, and brain teacher. And then chapter 3, please attend the event. Total of exercise are 18 exercise, and total of listening exercise is only 1 exercise in task 5. And then best wishes. Total of exercise in this chapter are 70 exercise. Total of exercise in this chapter are 17 exercises, and total of listening exercise 0. Chapter 5, follow the instruction. Total of exercise in this chapter are 22 exercises, and total of listening exercise are 2 exercises in task 4 and brain teacher. And then chapter 6, it's made of glass. Total of exercise are 25 exercises, and total of listening exercise are 2 exercises in task 3 and task 27. And then chapter 7, if you study hard, you will success. Total of exercise in this chapter are 17 exercises, and then total of listening exercise are 2 exercises in task 2 and task 5. And then chapter 8, factual report. Total of exercise in this chapter are 15 exercises, and total of listening exercise is only 1 exercise in task 2. And then chapter 9, it is good for us. Total of exercise in this chapter are 21 exercises, and total of listening exercise is only 1 exercise in task 1. And then, do you know these people? Total of exercise in this chapter are 16 exercises, and total of listening exercise in this chapter are 3 exercises in task 2, 3, and 4. So from the table show that total of exercise in textbooks are 200 exercises, and total of listening exercise are 29 exercises. Next. And then the composition of higher order thinking skill in listening. You can see the table. Analyze has listening questions 43. The score is 37.72%, and evaluate has listening questions 8. The score is 7.2%, and create doesn't have questions. So the total score from the total listening questions from those are 51, and then the total score is 44.74%. And then the composition of lower order thinking in listening questions. First is about remember. In remember has listening questions, 58 questions. Total score, the score is 50.88%. And understand doesn't have listening questions. And then apply has listening questions 5 and the score is 4.39%. So from this table we know that listening questions has 63, and then the total score is 55.26%. And then the conclusion. Before we talk about readability text in reading text, so I want to explain this reading text is appropriate or inappropriate for students. So in here I want to explain you. First, pages 29 is inappropriate because the reading age under 10 until 11. And then page 77 inappropriate because the reading age under 70 until 80. Its reading level is so difficult. And then page 78 is inappropriate. And then page 79 inappropriate, 81 inappropriate, 111 inappropriate, and then 133 inappropriate, 134 inappropriate, 137 inappropriate, 151 inappropriate, but in 151 in past 2 appropriate because the reading level is under 15 until 17. And then page 153 inappropriate, 155 appropriate because the reading level under 15 until 17. And then 156 inappropriate, 157 inappropriate, 158 inappropriate, 163 appropriate because the reading level under 15 until 17 years old. And then 165 inappropriate, 171 inappropriate, 173 inappropriate, 180 inappropriate, and then 181 inappropriate because the reading level under 15 until 17 years old. So from those we know that the text in Forward and English course for vocational school students grade books is inappropriate because the level is not for grades 11. And then HOTS and LOTS. We conclude that book entitled Forward and English course for vocational school students grade 11 that provide total score of lower order thinking skill, the tasks of listening skill are 114 questions, which consist of remember questions are 58, understand questions are 0, and for apply questions are 5. And then while the total score of higher order thinking skill, the questions are 43 for analyze, evaluate 80 questions, and creating 0 questions. Okay, after accounting every aspect in Bloom taxonomy, we got that result of follow. The result is follow. HOTS 44.74%, and then LOTS 55.26%. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.